Are you crying? Why are you crying?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Go with Amreen. Those who are new to my channel, let me give you a little recap about myself. My name is Amreen and I have been a passionate traveler for the longest time I've known. But recently, I started vlogging my adventures to share it with everybody and started my YouTube channel. So, I have been vlogging about my travel adventures so far. However, today's vlog is something different. I'm going to show you a day in quarantine during the lockdown in Dubai, which is home. So, before we move forward, please subscribe to my channel and let's dive straight to it.
Good morning, everybody. For a change, we are not traveling, we are staying home. As everybody knows, this is a difficult time. We are battling with coronavirus. This is the first time something like this in our lifetime. This is the first time something like this has happened. So we're just dealing with that. I'm in Dubai right now. This is my home. This is my balcony, and my morning ritual, my breakfast. I'm having oats with choco powder, blueberries, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, some peanut butter, and honey. So that's my breakfast. So we are in Dubai. We are not completely locked down. We are in a semi-lockdown. Some of the places are still open. All the offices are shut, and there are a lot of restrictions. Only few people are allowed in a bank. Only few people are allowed in a grocery. So things like that. And every time you enter a grocery, they're actually checking your temperature. So that's a really good thing. So if you want to go grocery shopping, you can only go once in 3 days. And you can only go for 3 hours. I have gone out for groceries a few times and I have applied for the permit. It's super convenient and easy. So I'm glad that these things are in place. Also, there are some really heavy fines for people who are not abiding by these rules and not taking a permit. You get flashed by the radar on the road, and there are some really hefty fines. So it's a good thing. All these measures are really important for people to stay indoors and stay safe. The numbers need to stop so that we can go back to normal. That's my travel fridge. It's less fridge, more magnets. Anyway, so we're making chicken today. We're making chicken curry, and let's go.
Okay.
And he's wearing swimming goggles.
Alright, so let's chop the onions really fine now And then hubby wants to put some potatoes, so that's what he's peeling. And let's get all the spices together, many of them. And then hubby is chopping chicken to smaller pieces. So after that, let's start frying the chicken in some oil. Alright, so after frying the onion, we put it aside, and then we're making the curry. We're putting the spices and the onions, and then we'll put the chicken and pretty much it. And we are going to obviously have that with a little rice. We're making cumin rice. I really like that. It goes very well with chicken. And ta-da! Chicken is ready! And it looks good. And so is the rice. Yay! Time for lunch. Okay, so finally cooking is done, and it's 3:30 p.m. and we still haven't had lunch. So let's go eat. So hungry, man. Alright guys, so now that lunch is done, it's about 4:45 p.m. and I'm going to be working for about 30 minutes, and then every day me and hubby have a little activity time. We make it a point to spend an hour together playing or doing any small thing. Alright, let's get to work.
So basically the idea is to get rid of all the cards. Okay? And you put 2 to 4 cards down, and I can tell you that there are 3 kings. They don't have to be. I could be lying. If you say the word cheat or bluff, then I have to open them. And if they are 3 kings, then I take the pile. And if they are not, then you take the pile. Aces.
Queens.
Kings.
2 more kings.
2 more aces. Okay, bluff now. Anyway, either or, right? So bluff. Which one? Go shuffle now.
Hi guys, so we're done with the activity, and now it is time for the most painful part of the day. We are going to work out. So let's get started with that.
Hi guys, so we're gonna start the session now. That is our instructor. He's from Train Tough 365. So he's gonna kill us very soon.
We'll be doing a session on strength training today, and let's commence after a bit of warm up, and let's get going. It's called dumbbell thrusters. They will go down and shoulders. Yes. Up.
Just got done with our workout. There's hubby. Are you alive? Dead. We have to still stretch, baby. Everything's gonna hurt tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow you'll stretch.
When it hurts.
Actually, we finished showering a while ago, and then I was just busy working, and one of the things that both of us do is try to connect with either family or friends over Zoom. So right now hubby is in the bedroom doing that, and I am going to the kitchen to make some dinner. Alright, so we're gonna put some turkey, obviously. Maybe half an onion, that's too much. Some slices, and sliced olives, chili sauce, obviously. Love everything spicy, and mustard, jalapeno, more spicy, and bread. We've been watching this series called Riverdale, and new episodes just got released. Season 3. This boy is going to sleep any moment now. Anyway, so we're watching Riverdale.
Because that's one of the rules of versions of hormones. I think that's
Hi guys, so after that yummy dinner, we're just gonna turn in, not right away of course, we're gonna spend some more time watching Riverdale. It's very interesting. So it's almost past midnight now, but because it's a weekend here, today's Thursday night, tomorrow is a Friday, so we're just gonna stay up a little longer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and got a feel of how the quarantine life is in Dubai. Alright guys, so this is me signing off. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up, and please leave your comments in the comment section below. So you take care, stay home, stay safe. Good night from Dubai. Bye. Cheers.